Disciplined trader, what is up? What is going on? Mo bro, what's up? Nate, what is happening? Ishmi, Triple B, Declan Forge, Esvan, what is up? Dean's in the house. Oh yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Heck yeah. Does anyone know? Oops. Does anyone know why I keep getting an error message when I try to buy a funding ticks? It says max allocation, but I don't have any active accounts, which is currently 50% off. Oh, design, yeah, it was rough. I mean, these slow grind days, they're tough, man. Triple B, Ishmi, Crazy Chris, Dean in the house, TJP. Bulonox does not have Trade of 8. They have Project X, which is what I use Bulonox on. Project X. Dean, what's happening? Pass another 50K. Let's go. Great deals going on. Bulonox, 91% off. Apex, 90% off. Funding ticks, 50% off. Oh, cool, Corey. Yeah, I don't know why. I can't. I want some accounts myself. They're $38.50. They're having problems on the back end. Maybe hopefully they'll extend the sale. Hey, Harish, what's happening? Kernal in the house. Let's go, Biochem. I wish I could buy some of myself. Yeah, 50% off funding ticks. It's the best deal going right now. I'm gonna dump my life savings into them. Nope, because they're new, but it's by far the best sale going. No activation fee. I'll show you guys real quick before the market opens. So the one-step funding ticks pro plus, click on the $1,000 max, the reward payout cap. Put in code PINE. It's $38.50 with no activation. So it's very similar to the My Funded Future account. RT Trades, what is up? Design had a rough day. So I had a little bit of a rough day too. I'll not super rough, but I'll talk about it. 5 NQ short on 2 TPT pros blown in no time. Yeah, so I was up 900. I had a $900 payout, day one payout with Take Profit Trader coming today, guys. And it's no longer there. I got greedy. 25K account. I was up 9,000. I got greedy. I wanted the $1,000 payout or something. I don't know what was in my head, and I smoked it. But that's okay. I will get one back, and we'll do it again. Slow it down. Had a great day on my funded futures. George Amid. Can I explain the difference between Bulonox and Topstep? There's quite a bit. They're kind of night and day. Bulonox is very much like Apex. So Bulonox, the 50K account option 1 is pretty much the only one that I recommend right now because that's the one that's on sale. I don't believe the 25Ks are on sale. So the 50Ks, anything bigger than the 50Ks, the activation fee gets larger. Bulonox, you have to trade it for 10 days, stay under 40% consistency. You make it to 4,100. You can take out a $1,500 payout. Topstep, it's completely different. Bulonox, you can pass it on day 1. You can just full port the account day 1. Topstep, you know, it's 50%. You can take 50% out once you do what, 5 days of $150 or something like that. You can take 50%. They canceled on me, Ishmi. Topstep TV canceled. Just ain't right. It's in the house. Lynn's in the house. Apex is killer deal. Yeah, 90% off, guys. Apex. This is what we wait for Bulonox and Apex. If you're gonna trade those companies, we wait for the 90% off. Market's open, guys. Good luck. Bulonox is my favorite right now, Josh. It's the only ones I'm getting payouts with. it's crazy. I don't know what it is with Bulonox. I'm like crushing them right now. But yeah, Spider Lily, what is up? But yeah, no, there's always I mean, I think Take Profit Trader is better by far. I think Trade Day is better. Max, what is up? Honest Take, what is up? Keegan. Yeah, I got canceled. They canceled on me, and then they wanted me to reschedule, and then I said, all right, well, I'll do the reschedule on the calendar thing that they send out, the Topstep sends out, and then they said, oh, they don't use that anymore. They do it by hand. So I think I got the cold shoulder. I don't know. Do I trade New York session? Yes, I do. I find this silly, but can you give me one of those funding ticks accounts by the time I haven't paid? I can't, Lynn. I don't. Hey, listen. I'm struggling just like everyone else. I ain't got no. I'm not Patrick Whelan. I didn't get $1 million a month deal. Honestly, and I don't have any accounts to give out. Sorry. I'm just trying to pay the bills like everyone else. Kato is in the house. Let's go, Zane. I can't even seem to use my own. Yeah, I hate the 10-day wait, Josh, for sure. Yeah, I just got paid Tuesday night. Yeah, Tuesday night on the Bulonox. Account's still looking good. So it's the second payout on this account. I'm going on day third payout. I got one account left, but the Bulonox account, I kind of been crushing them. I don't know what it is. I wish I was crushing it like this on like Take Profit Trader or Topstep or something, but I just finished high school. Yeah, when I was finishing high school, yeah, I was actually homeless, living in a truck in senior year of high school, believe it or not. So 12 million, that's right. Yeah, so I lost 75K back in the day. Yeah, no, thank you. Yeah, that video's going viral. It's people in my life asked me if I was how I felt about putting myself out there like that, and I was like, I said I didn't really mind. I was just being honest. Just people just wanted to. I don't know. I guess some people just wanted to hear the story. So. But yeah, I appreciate it. It's kind of gone viral for my long form videos. It's over 2,000 views right now in one day, so it's kind of crazy. Yeah, Cody, for sure. Yeah, no, it's crazy. Some of the paths we go, but Lane, it's all good, buddy. It's all good. Did a 10K with TPT last week. Gave it all back in one day buying TPT Pro rebuys. Oh, Josh. Yeah, I've definitely have done that too, where I've gotten caught off guard and the credit card just kind of creeps up there, and you're like, damn. It's like, where did all my money go? Yeah. Like I said, today I had a 25K take profit trader account. It was brand new. Pro account. I got it activated today. I took pretty much one trade and got it to like $1,500. Took another trade or 2 or 3 trades after that. I got it up to about $900 for a payout, and then I got into another trade, and I kept adding until I blew the account. So, I don't know. I can't explain it. Can't explain it. Yeah, Josh, for sure. Yeah, it's like $900, you know? Yeah, it's funding ticks, guys. Just a great deal. $38.50. Give it a shot. I mean, I'm giving them a shot. I can't seem to get an account though. They won't let me buy an account. Let's go. Yeah, I got one coming tomorrow, Josh. One 150K. So maybe I'll wait till Monday to trade it. Probably not, but trading on tilt, what's going on? Yeah, I do think about that too, Hot Shot, where sometimes where you reset those accounts and then... Did I use Copine? No, I was using Methodicals actually, and it won't work. You just requested with Tradeify? It's usually last time I requested, Josh, it was like 2 minutes, but it's been a hot minute since I've got a Tradeify payout. Book is super thin. Yeah, kind of a crazy day. First inside bar did not work today, guys. The way I take it. This was the first inside bar. It wicked above, came back, pulled back. It did not take. I ended up taking the reversal on it, making back some money, but I normally don't do that, so I ended up taking the opposite end of it, and it turned out it was a really good flush after that. But then the inside bars really didn't pay that well today. This one did not really work. This one did not really work. This one worked really well. But yeah, definitely wasn't a great day for the inside bars. Yeah, right. Yeah, Josh, I hear you, buddy. Yeah, no, it sucks. I think it's because you have active accounts but not passed that are gonna get renewed later. It happened. Possibly. Yeah, so let's see, is this showing anything? Just my first name, but so I think you have to unlink them, right? So I unlinked them. I want my funding ticks accounts. I want them. I want them now. Indian Burn, what is up? Yeah, I got them and they weren't passed. Okay, maybe all right. Maybe this is what I gotta do. No, I don't want to reset it for $125. Yeah, I unlinked them all. I unlinked all the funding ticks. No, Imsky. Yeah, no, maybe that's what it is. Maybe they're just overloaded and it's just not working. Because that, I mean, to be honest, guys, like that is probably the best deal going right now, right? I mean, 35 bucks for 50K, no activation fee. I mean, I'm not even sure the payout rules, but I know that's a great deal. I'm still trying to learn how it all works. Zaid, yes, use code PINE. I mean, 35 bucks, dude. I mean, I don't know. Not financial advice, but I was gonna load up on 6 myself, 650Ks, but how do you reset an account on funding ticks? You just click on the you click on it on the under your dashboard. You can just click on the account, and then up in the right corner it says reset account. But it's not going to give you the discount. It's just going to give you first inside buy. Yeah, I heard they got deep pockets, hot shot. Yeah, I heard they got deep pockets. Monica! Alright, thank you, Monica. I'm just gonna hold off, I guess. Who's 35 bucks? Funding ticks. I got it up on the top corner here. J Min, thank you for the sub. But 5 F's in TradeBait has 6. My dashboard has 5. Dude, I don't know. Andy B. I heard they're having issues on their back end. Yeah, I don't know. I can't even buy an account right now. Newts, thank you so much. What's up, Newts? What's up, buddy? Oh, you bought 6? Yeah, I got I want. I don't have any right now. I blew them. I want some more. I'm short. Short on the My Funded Future funded accounts, micros. Looking for 10 points or so. Funny, yeah, no, they're not. It's forced on FT, yeah. Yeah, I know. But supposedly they got deep pockets, so from what I hear, from the Forex market. No reset thing, Sean D's? No, I don't know, yeah. Lambo Trading Signals, what is up, buddy? Oh yeah, $1,000. Yeah, it's a lot like the yeah, the $1,000 is it's a lot like the core account. Oh, this? That looks a little funky. There you go. There's funding ticks in your face. Drop them links. I just learned how to put pictures on the Streamlabs the other day. Yeah, hot shot for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully, I can buy one soon. Chef Chris, all in deal. Even this. Yeah. No, it's great. Yeah, good deal. It hurts to walk. Uh-oh, Design. Design had a rough day. Ends Friday night? Oh, okay. They said 24 hours, so maybe they extended it. So that'd be great. Thank you, Zane. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support, guys. So yeah, so I was supposed to go on Topstep TV today anyways, during Power Hour. I got an email this morning said that that was canceled and that I need to reschedule, or I should reschedule. I was like, huh. Like, okay. It ends tonight. Oh, so we're getting so we got mods in the funding tick saying it ends Friday night, but it's actually tonight. It ends. So technically, maybe Friday at midnight or Thursday at midnight, and the mod thought it was is thinking that it's maybe or something like that. It's confused, but. Declane Forge. All right, buddy. See you later. Because of the issues? That would be awesome, Orlando. They're useless. You know what I really missed was the mods and fast track trading. The fast track trading Discord. Now that was some entertainment on a Friday night. That was crazy. That was crazier than 0 Day J's Discord. Grab a cold IPA or a glass of wine and sit there and troll the fast track trading Discord. That was a lot of fun. Yeah, Stefan. Hey, Brian, what is up? Nice, Newts. Yeah, slow and steady. I need to take some notes for the slow and steady, but boy, because I struggled. Been struggling this month, big time. I've gotten some payouts, but man, I am definitely not profitable this month. I don't know where I'm at, but I've gone through some accounts. September, we're gonna turn it around though. All right, getting a little push down here. Getting my few points here. Yeah, Zaid, for sure. It's not bad. Thanks, Hotshot. Yeah, I know. Definitely going to take some adjustment come September for a lot of people, but yeah, I just struggle. I struggle when you get grindy markets because yeah, I struggle. And we've had so many trend days this month. It's insane. Like 0 Day J says, the trend is not my friend. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Most of the time it's not. But yeah, I'll adjust. Hey, his Royal Trades. $90-10 split, nice on a fast track. Fast track. Uh oh. People putting FT in there. Funding ticks. Thank you, his Royal Trades. Yeah, I expect September to pick up for sure. Fast what? Oh no, Corey the phone trader won a giveaway. On he was probably out door dashing or sparking or something. You like today, Michael? Yeah, that's the thing. It's just like It's just like, you know, some people love these. There's always gonna be a winner and loser in certain markets for sure. Someone that likes more trendy markets, then they're gonna win. Somebody that likes more back and forth. Today was definitely a mix. I mean, you had your back and forth. I was up really nice in this stuff, and then I got kind of caught in this a little bit, and on my pro account, and that's what killed me. TJP, it is, yeah. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate you. Yeah, we got some good deals going on to load up accounts to get ready for September. If you guys, you know, trade with the props, Bulonox and Apex both 90% off, 91% off Bulonox. I'll be getting some accounts with them, full porting. It's $15 evals. And yeah, funding ticks and trade day ends at the end of the month too. They're 40% off, no activation fees. Right back to the VWAP. Didn't really get that flush I was looking for, but we're still in good shape. It's just right back to my entry now. I gotta stop at 763.25. TJP, it's the greatest thing. I mean, this is what was saying, like with the competition. You just got to go with the best deal. Go with the prop firms that are paying out and go with the best deal. Yeah, 91% off, Coach Fred. I knew that was coming. As soon as Apex announced it this morning that they were 90% off, I'm like, yeah, I said Bulonox, be right behind them. Dean, that's what I heard, but I don't know for sure. Yo, Lucid, Amit? Yeah, I haven't tried out Lucid yet. I'm basically trying to figure out the funding ticks right now. And then maybe I'll give Lucid a try. Funding next too is another one I want to try too, but I'm usually cautious with the newer firms. But funding ticks definitely has the hype behind them right now. TJP, I mean, not TJP, JC Trades. TJP, what's up too? Topstep is known. No. They're coming out with some new stuff though, I heard. TJP. I'm exhausted today. I could not sleep for I felt like I should have just did a 24-hour stream like Nutty tried to do. I didn't sleep well last night. I couldn't fall asleep. Once I fell asleep, I was good, but Josh, yeah, I think so too. I think that it's getting more popular too. I think the futures trading in general is just getting more and more popular. The VWAP, Romeo, it is. Yeah, congratulations, Corey. Hope you get that account. How long did he last? He quit about, I don't know, sometime this morning. So now, like, apparently there's other streamers that are, like, going to try to copy him and try to do the 24-hour stream. I think John, I actually saw you say something. What's up, John Watt? I was distracted earlier, and I remember you saying something about Nutty's 24-hour stream. Let's go, Coach Fred. Sports Zone, I was watching that last night, yeah. Nutty and Alpine were my pillow talk last night. Hey, Nutty said, he says a lot of people took me to bed last night. Yeah, I was watching Alpine and Nutty play golf, PGA Tour golf. It was fun. You ate too many. You did too. Trump needs to send stimmies. Get props industry booming. Yeah. Oh, Eric C. Yeah, I definitely gotta stop trading late at night. Like, it is definitely affecting my sleep. So tonight I will not. When I get off stream, I will not be looking at the charts. I don't care what the market's gonna do. But yeah, I was streaming way too late. I'm not streaming, trading way too late. Anyone having issues placing trades on Ninja Trader? Orlando, so that's what the problem is. Yeah, so I got mine unlinked, but they're still not working. I archived them and then I unlinked them. All right, see if we can break down to the low, 744.75. Get down there. Micah Parsons got traded to the Packers. Interesting. So I went to a Vikings Patriots, the preseason game the other day, Newts. It was fun. The Vikings, I know, are kind of a rivalry of the Packers, so. But it was definitely fun. We watched the Patriots kick some ass. Hey Tom, what is up? I got 6 if you guys want to pass them for me. Just take your time, Zayd. There's no rush, right? You got a whole month before you get rebuild. And if you do and you're close, it's okay if you get rebuild, you know. But yeah, just take your time with them. Can you copy trade different firms' accounts in Tradeovate? Not at once. Through Tradeovate, you have to use a third-party system like TradeSyncer or something like that. TradeSyncer, you can copy trade all the accounts, all your prop accounts, Tradeovate. Or like Replicanto, I think through NinjaTrader or something. I don't really know because I've never really done it, Eric. But yeah, as of right now, they don't have their own. Boy, it would be awesome if Tradeovate would come up with their own copy trader. That would be amazing. Zayd, yeah, I do the same things. I don't think I've ever been rebuild on a account that I was on an eval that I was working on. Yo, Tyler, what is up? Parsons is gone, huh? Oh, you got ended up green. Nice, Tom. Yeah. Kept trying to go short on that grind. Yeah, that was like an account killer right there. And I don't know if you guys remember it going up to 23,800 exactly on the NQ. Like literally bang by the tick, and then it pulled back, and then took it out because I'm like, that is not gonna hold. And then so it didn't. It went up and it took it out, and then it flushed. I mean, just NQ playing games. Kind of crazy. It should be the rebuild percentage. It should be the whatever you paid for it. It should be recurring on trade day. It should be, but I'm not 100% sure. Can you trade of 8 and Ninja Trader use Replicondo, which costs one? Oh yeah, Michael. Yeah, can trade of 8 and Ninja Trader use Replicanto, which costs $150 for lifetime. Yes. Right. I've never done it, but yeah, people do it. That's what like Methodical Man does. I know Nutty uses Replicanto. Is the rebuild the same price as the 50% promo? I do not know that. I have no idea. Funded Next and Lucid are one-time fees, no rebuilds. Okay, Michael. Packers got to do something to keep pace with the Lions. Yeah, we got to keep pace with the Bills, I think. I think the Bills are going to be pretty good again. Parsons is trouble. This is it for the Patriots. I think like if they don't do something this year, well, I should say like if Drake May doesn't do something this year. So what is it? His 4th year now? Third year. Patriots are done? Never. Never. Yeah, Bill's gonna be good. Yeah. Josh Allen is really good. I was rewatching the old Hard Knocks with the Lions because I'm kind of every time the Bills, I watch one of those episodes of the Bills for the Hard Knocks, and then so I go back and then I watch the Lions one. But yeah, the Bills looking good. All right, pushing down here. Yeah, the Mac Jones syndrome. Man. I mean, I really like what the Patriots did in the offseason, though. Taking that off. Up $69. Let's go. Yeah, I really like what the Patriots... Oh, yeah, maybe it is his 2nd year. I don't know. I just feel like... Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking Mac Jones too. Yeah. Take me. Henderson could be the best in RB in the class. He's so good. Just injuries. Yeah. Go Texans. Let's go, Discipline Trader. Yeah, it is getting to be football season, huh? You feel it in the air. That got bounced at 23,700. Yeah, it could keep pushing down. Huh, that's weird. Continuing to push down off that first inside bar. Looking really nice. Just kind of a grind down. We could just do the grindy down just like we did the grind up. We could. Yeah, he's got the good coach now, Newts. They got the good coach. They, you know, I think, in my opinion, I think the Patriots, you know, brought back a lot of the old coaching staff and some former players, things like that. So I like it. Hey, Red Candles in the house. What is up? Yeah, $40 core counts. That would be awesome. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so Red Candles had an issue yesterday with his Bulonox account. I don't think he minds me saying. He had an issue with his Bulonox master account during the NVIDIA news. And they reset it for him. Because they said it was blown, but he actually didn't hit. He didn't hit any drawdown or anything. But he was probably degenning. Wink, wink. But yeah, he reached out to Bulonox support, and they took care of him. So, which is awesome because you know, a lot of companies would be like, "No, sorry." Yeah, I would love to go to Lambeau Field. Yeah, you gotta have an elite quarterback sports done for sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, everyone was. I was talking to someone who doesn't know much about football, and they were like, "Why did they pay Will Campbell, which is one of the offensive linemen for the Patriots, a rookie? Why'd they pay him so much money?" I says, "Because he protects the quarterback. Like, that's why they paid him all that money. Like, he's one of the number one draft picks. Not the number one, but where do you go, like 3 or 4 or something like that?" You go Bulonox again if they have 0 activation fee? Yeah, that would be nice. You won't see that. Bulonox just doesn't change anything. I mean, I've been doing very well with Bulonox this year, but you know, I wish I could do better with someone like Trade Day. Continuing to grind down lower. Probably should have just scaled out of that trade. Not really red candles, but If you lost an account yesterday, FT gave you a reset. Funding Ticks gave you a reset. Damn, Josh. Yeah, I don't... Did I blow an account with Funding Ticks yesterday? I don't think I did. I don't think I traded with them yesterday. That's typical. I got this account here, it just won't disappear. There's nothing left in it. On the Funding Ticks. All right, down to 737 now. Oh, nice, Josh. Oh, okay, Michael Belt, yeah. Did I wish Patrick Whelan happy birthday? No, I didn't. Yeah, as I did, admittedly, I did tune in for a minute and I saw a mariachi band playing and I did have to chuckle. Kelly, we're at 50% fib. See if we bounce from here then. Code Pine, Tom. Yep, Code Pine with Apex, Bulonox. Everything, just Code Pine. Across the board. Smash the like button too, guys. You guys are just tuning in. Appreciate it. I feel like we have a pretty good, I don't know how many people are watching, but I feel like there's quite a bit. So, the chat is kind of on fire. But yeah, I saw the mariachi band. No way, Brandon. Did he really? The little people fighting? And magicians? Damn. Wild. All I've tried stuffing is the Pro Plus with the $1,000 max, and I've yet to pass one yet. But they're on my hit list. Josh says check the Discord. Alright, cool. Good reminder too. I'll put the Discord in the chat. It's completely free. No kidding. That's cool. The Discord if anyone wants to join. I like my loyalty to the Pats, but being able to watch. Yeah, for sure. I'll never not root for the Pats. Ever. I'm actually on the season ticket waiting list, Hot Shot. I've been on it for probably 15 years. Kind of crazy. What's the cheapest way to get to the Broncos game from Florida? That's all I wanted. I don't care about the rest of the game. You don't root for any of the Florida teams, Red Candles? Just the Broncos? That's cool. You're probably better off just seeing the Broncos play another team that's close by you. Swear my funded futures bought one. They bought him a musician. I can't even get a free account to give away to you guys. And they donated $500 to him. I saw that. Your team Swift. Let's go, Brandon. Is Funding Ticks a competitor to Topstep? Oh yeah, they all are. They're all competing against each other. I think Tradeify and my funded futures or competitors like Bulonox and Apex, big time competitors. Trade Day and Take Profit Trader, big time competitors. And then everyone's competing against Topstep. Figuring out which way to get the games. I think what YouTube has the NFL ticket now, right? No, Brandon. There is. I think Topstep is still one of the top because of the reliability, but I think you're gonna see some changes coming. They're gonna adapt. They have the money and the means to adapt to however they see fit. So $350 a year for YouTube TV. Hey, did you do a chargeback on your credit card? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of people did that. $400, man, for the ticket. That's crazy. We're looking like we want to bounce here. 735 is the low. Look like we're trying to bounce up towards the VWAP. But who knows? This could be a trap. But like someone said earlier, I believe Kelly said this is the 50% on the fib, so it makes sense that we're kind of bouncing here a little bit. Oh, nice, Zaid. Good for you. Can be trader is great. The props have competition. It is, Sports Don. That's exactly what I'm seeing too. The competition between the props, it's getting heavy and heated. You know, some of the new ones coming through. More and more people, consumers coming in. Nice job, Coach Fred. Job done. Had a TPT on life support. Let's go. Yeah, don't give up. Don't give up on those accounts. Even though you might not have that much drawdown, you can size down and then just be patient with it. Maybe work on another account and kind of keep it as your side project. That's people do that a lot and it works for them. If you're just focused on that one account all the time, then you might overtrade it and you probably end up blowing it up. But I use the CEVWAP. Might be a little different between NQ and MNQ too. I use the CEVWAP. It is right here. CEVWAP. On the community indicators. That's just the one I've always used. Yeah, that'll make a difference too. You're on the 1 minute, I'm on the 5. Yeah. Yeah, that makes a difference. Fake out, don't trust this market. Yeah, it's tricky. Here says 20. Maybe it's 3-bar reversal in play, possibly. Little harami candle there, but I don't like it. Maybe get a little pop up to the 46 level, a few points. Ring gap, did I say funding ticks? Yeah, 50% off. Yeah, it's under the community indicators, yeah. If you just type in VWAP, it should come up. Type in VWAP. Yeah, it's right there. It's the first one. Modified from Tiki VWAP, CE VWAP. That's the one I use. I know Cove Trader uses it too. I don't know. He just mentioned it one day on a stream and I was listening. He's like, yeah, I use the CE VWAP. I said, yeah, me too. So I got 4 My Funded Future accounts going, funded accounts currently. Use the anchored VWAP. It's nothing wrong with that, too, Brandon. Yeah, 3 days. Yeah, from what I understand, TJP, if you make $1,000 a day, basically, so $1,000 a day for 3 days, and you pass, because that's so something like that. EMA 58. That's a new one. I haven't heard of that. 58. Possibly red candles. I know you're very good at trading this these slower markets. Getting in some funding ticks and take profit tomorrow. Let's go, Tony Gold. Don't forget to use code PINE. It's the luckiest code on this prop streets. The luckiest code. Yeah, 40% consistency on evals. That's right. Is Apex good? That depends who you ask, Paul, but I think they're good. I think they're fine. The way I look at Apex and Bulonox, those companies with the cheap evals, is it's a cheaper way to a straight to funded, basically, because you can full port the evals and then you pay the activation fee and then you're going. I like Apex for multiple accounts, so lots of accounts. If you're just going to trade 1 or 2, I would go with someone like Funding Ticks, My Funded Futures, Trade Day, Take Profit Trader, Topstep, someone like that. That's just my opinion. Do I only use the VWAP? Yep, it's the only thing that's on my screen. And I don't even really use the VWAP. I've said this before, Orlando, but I put the VWAP on my screen when I started streaming to give me something to talk about, because I had no one watching. So I put the VWAP on there so I could just talk about it. Say, yeah, we're going to the VWAP. But yeah, no, before I didn't have even that on there. Now I don't mind it. I actually like it. Zane. It's true. Hey Roman, I traded this morning. Yeah, finished pretty good on my funded future core accounts, but I blew a pro account, a TPT 25K. What does multi-bracket orders mean for group trading? Multi-bracket orders, basically, so if you have a bracket, so if you go in here, like 30 point take profit, 30 point stop loss. So if I just, let me get rid of the, so if I do, so that's a bracket, right? So if I get triggered long here, then I gotta take profit up here to stop loss to down here. With Trade-of-8, you can't copy trade all the accounts with the bracket. So you only can do one at a time with a bracket, so it's annoying. So some of the third-party copy trading things allows you to copy trade with Trade-of-8 with the multi-order brackets and things like that. But you can do like crazy different brackets, like multi-order, like you were saying. Like you can do like a few different take profits, like 120 ticks, 120 ticks, 120 ticks to take them off. You can have it so it trails automatically, so you can have a trail stop, auto break evens, all kinds of stuff. So like if you're playing, this is what Methodical Man does with the 15 minute or 15 second strat or whatever he uses, or the 5 second strat, or I don't even know what he does in the morning. So he's using the volatility. So what he does is he has a bracket that gets in real quick and then trails the stop. So he's using the technology and the software to basically trail his entry so quick that the time it comes back and hits his stop, then he's already in profit. So this is all kind. I've experimented with all kinds of stuff like that. I've gone like the old replay, the Trade-of-8 replay and stuff, and then tried to like do stuff around the New York Open and with YM and NQ and trailing stops, going 40 point take profit, and you know, trail stop and just crazy stuff. I got back tested data. It's insane. So we are headed to the VWAP now, guys. It does act like a magnet too, Kelly, for sure, especially in the slower markets. Commissions are high with funding ticks. I don't know. That's probably why I blew them all. Dude, I made 1.4K in seconds. Was my 6th day on 150K Express account. Let's go. Let's hold on to that, Roman. Let's do it. Let's get that payout. Yeah. So I told a story today, actually. I said one of my worst losses when it came to a prop was I was trading Topstep. This was a couple years ago, and I had an XFA up to $9,000, like $9,000 something dollars, and I didn't take a payout on it, and I wanted at 10K, and I blew the account. That was one of my worst beats. So not that you're gonna do it, Roman. $2.2 million YouTube points, because Uncle Mo has donated tons of money. Zane, like probably, I don't even know, a couple $1,000 probably since I started. Terry has too, donated a lot. Haresh, so the best thing that So Haresh, yeah. So profit targets. So I don't really have. I like to have set profit targets, but I do like to have set stop losses for the day. But I do my best. I was trading with micros on this account today. I was experimenting. So I had a lot of trades. 53 trades, but it's because I was doing the micros. But yeah, so $200-$300 days, $500 days, something like that. The big one for me is right here, $700 daily loss limit. That's what I set this on every day. Is I'll set this on $700 daily loss limit. I liquidate and block it, and then I save it, and then I lock it. So no matter what, I can't lose 700 bucks. I think that is the most important thing, over than how much money you can pull out of the market or going for set profit targets. But after you do that, then you know, I just go ahead and go for base hit days, $200-$300 bucks. That's what I'm going for. If the trade is really working in my favor, then I'll just let it go and hope to get more. But yeah, that's kind of what I do. Orlando, that happened to you? Oh man. Harash, you can do it the same on Tradeovate with some prop firms. So you just go right here. You go to up in the top right corner. You can't really see, but it's the very far right corner. You click on application settings, and then you go to risk settings, and then you can set your daily loss limit right here. But not all prop firms will allow you to do that. So I also will do that if I'm trying to pass an account. So I'll go here and I'll try to pass. So I say I need 50% to pass that account. And so 50K, I need 1,500 bucks. So I'll just go right here and I'll go 1,500. I usually go like 1,520 bucks. And then I'll save it. And then that way when it hits the daily profit trigger, then it stops me. So like if I'm like full port on the first inside bar or something, then that's the way that works. Yeah, no problem, Harash. I love the questions, by the way. Thank you. It helps my stream go by so much faster. The max payout request for 50K Spider Lily is 1,500 bucks. Which leaves you a lot of money, because if you're up to 4,100 bucks, you take out 1,500. That brings you what, 3,600. It leaves you 3,600 a buffer. I think that's one of the things that's been helping me too. That's why I'm on my working on my third payout on this one account. Because you have to, you're forcing yourself to leave a buffer. So it's not the easiest payout to get, but it's kind of those base hits, you know. Base hit days, build it up. Yeah, so yeah, Kelly, that is some discipline, but man, I need I think it's because of the Project X too. Like today I was up what, 300 something bucks. I ended up locking myself out. So I was like, that's enough. Like, you know, I'm just trying to go for base hits. I'm just trying to get to 10 days again so I can get another payout. But if it was easier on Tradeovate to have this lockout, personal daily loss limit lockout button, it'd be so much better. I'd be trading so much better. Hey Ethan, what is up, buddy? I seen you around too. I seen you on the prop streets hanging out. Yes, a lot more are coming out with Kelly, with the Project X. George in the house. Yeah, 54,100 JC trades. What's my chat rate? Um, 4. Chat rate is at 4. Whatever that means. Yeah, if you're someone that likes custom indicators, for me, I like naked. I trade naked charts, Maximus. So, yeah, if you're someone that likes a lot of indicators, and so a lot of people like using Trading View and things like that. But it's okay to use like Trading View and then to chart on or something else, and then just push the button on another platform too. If you have the means of doing that, you know, usually it involves multiple monitors, but. A lot of people do that. But yeah. For me, I just like something simple. I just need to be able to push the button, basically. But yeah. You won't be able to get to 2,500 of 6 accounts? Yes, you can. You can do it. That is the other thing too, guys. You only need to make $2,500 with funding ticks, not the normal 3,000. Do I recommend Apex for beginners? I do recommend a cheaper eval for sure. 19 bucks to learn, yeah. So like Bulonox right now, Joseph, $15.75, I believe. Something like that. That's what it cost me. So if I get a Bulonox account, get a little skin in the game. $15.75. Right there. For 50K eval. So it's $148 to activate, but and then you can use Project X. This is Project X. Right here. Same rule as Apex, really. You can pass in one day. You can go 7 contracts to pass it if you want. But you can use this Project X with Bulonox. You just have to request sometimes. But yeah. But if you're an experienced trader, then yeah, I'd go with. So with Bulonox, you can trade 3 accounts. You can have 3 master accounts until you get over the buffer on those accounts, and then you can add a 4th, and then so on, and then you get over the buffer, and then you can add a 5th, up to 11, and you also can have past evals. So if you pass some evals during this 91% off, you can have them sitting there waiting just in case you blow a funded account or something. Then you can just activate the new one, so you don't have to keep going and trying to pass evals or whatever. If you just And it's also recurring too, guys. Like the bills are recurring. So these right here are all recurring. 91% off. So every time I get billed, it's just $15 and $15.75. So how am I gonna get 2,500 on 6 accounts in 1 month? No problem. Just got a full port. Rejection off the VWAP here. We're kind of in a downward channel. No, you don't want a full port. Let's check out the news though. What do we got? We got GDP and core PCE price index tomorrow morning, and revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. So yeah, you just got to full port the news. They say, no problem. No, don't do that. Problem with full porting the news is that the platforms freeze up a lot of the times. So yeah, I know. I went and I full ported some of the big Apex accounts, like either the 250s or the 300Ks. And I did get lucky once, and I ended up passing them. But you know what? I didn't get a payout on them. I was actually looking at a can't remember who it was, but I was looking at someone on Twitter today that trades Apex accounts, the static accounts. Very good trader. Actually shows payout proof. Not trying to sell anything or anything like that. And but they trade them so small, like I'm talking 1 micro. Like very disciplined, 1 micro, very patient, and then kind of scales up from there. Kind of neat. Trade current futures, what is up? Maximus, where am I from? I am from the state of Maine. Hence the name Pine Tree Trader, because the Pine Tree State. Bulonox has trading news rules for master accounts. For master accounts, maybe. I don't know. I guess they do allow news trading, but with their consistency and things like that, I don't know. I mean, you could do it. I think that's not coming from their website. That's coming from some third-party website, but yeah, I think you can. $635 drawdown, Kelly. I know. So I once took one of those static accounts and brought it up to like 2,000 something, and yeah, I ended up grinding it, and then I blew it, which really sucked. If you get a really good start on a static account, if you get a good jump on it, like I'm talking like day one, and get a good jump, then you draw down, obviously. You're basically trying to build up your drawdown, which is really, really nice. But John King, I have not loaded up on any yet, but give me time. I will load up. Let's go trade current futures. So yeah, funding ticks, $38.50. Can't beat it. Unfortunately, I can't seem to buy one because the website's not working for me. But when I get off stream, I'm gonna refresh my browser and everything and see if I can get some funding ticks, because I'm definitely gonna load up. I'm gonna buy 6 of them, 650Ks. Yeah, Ethan, it's a very controversial company for sure. Oh, you only can buy 1 account for 50% off? Is that why? But I didn't get to buy any. Not yet. Oh, that's why I can't. Zane just bought 3 for 50% off. His Royal Trades just bought 3. Okay, so I don't know. Yeah, I guess you can buy. I don't know. Maybe they're just having. Well, Brandon, you and me both. I can't buy any. I literally cannot buy any. It won't. It says max allocation or something. All right, we're just back at the VWAP. Yeah, it won't let me buy a single account. Yeah, I get the validation failed. Max allocation exceeded. Yeah, I did cancel my bone ones too. Yeah, I did that, but I don't know if I did it correctly or what. Oh, you know what? I found it, guys. I bet you this is it right here. All right, if you guys are having an issue, make sure I'm not showing anything too crazy. All right. I bet you this is the problem. So if you go down here in the lower left corner, or the middle of the left side, this says subscriptions. So what I did is I went in and I canceled them, or I unlinked them, right? But if you go here, cancel, I bet you this is what it is. So I bet you I just gotta cancel these and I'll be able to get it. Found it. So I'll do that. Cancel, cancel, cancel. All right, I just canceled them all. Now let me try again. One step, Pro Plus, 1,000. Code Pine. No, I can't use your own code, unfortunately. That worked. That's the trick. I guarantee that whole Discord is just full. I should make a short video about it right now and post it. I guarantee that whole Discord is just full of people complaining, and it's because of those. Because I thought when you unlink it, it was the cancel, but it's not. See if I get my account now. Not yet. Such a good deal. $38.50. Smokey, what is up? To Smokey, I'm not a joke. Nice work, Smokey. So far, I'm not seeing any design, but to be honest with you, I haven't really looked into them a whole lot. Man, sneeze there. Yeah, 6250. Yeah, Zane. Yeah, the $5,000 reward version, 6250. Yep, not bad. For sure. Maya Adams, see if it works. I'll type it in. Does not work. Trade current. A Cove Trader. I don't want to put a Cove Trader in there. who is this? You gotta use Go Pine. You're on this channel. I love Cove, but come on. You guys know Methodical is my boy. I know what you're saying though. Use code Summer Heat behind Wendy's. That's right. Thank you, Jack. Appreciate you. Yeah, Brandon. For sure. Taking the inside buy on this short, I don't know. I was kind of hoping to get the account fired up, but I didn't get it. Boy, it's very slow right now, isn't it? It's a very cheap trade. Taking a very cheap stab off that inside bar. I'm only risking 19 bucks. Yeah, Nutty Bar doing the 24-hour stream. That was crazy, wasn't it? He didn't make it though. He tapped out sometime this morning. He's like, I've had enough. He goes, I'm feeling loopy. He says, and he was out. Did I see him flying the jets? I did not. I just saw him playing golf, PGA golf, and I saw him playing Fortnite. He's flying jets, all right. Oh, really? Yo, you thought I was Alpine? That's funny. Yeah, that is true, Jonathan. I didn't, you know, I really didn't, anticipate, like, I was a fan of Alpine, like, so when I came up with Pine Tree Trader, that thought never crossed my mind that, you know, it was Alpine and Pine Tree, like, I really didn't. Yeah, some people get us confused now. What's the difference between $1,000 and $5,000 pay cap on the funding ticks? Exactly what it means is just each payout is only $1,000 with a $1,000 one, but you can build one up to get a $5,000 pay cap. So payout. It's not capped for lifetime. It's just each payout. So it means you got to build the account up a lot more to get the $5,000. Daniel. The flight sim was hysterical. I'll have to go back and watch that. That is kind of funny. Team, I'm dealing with the same thing. I didn't get the account. I just bought 2 accounts myself with funding ticks, and they haven't showed up. So, I believe their website is massively overloaded right now, guys. So, just a word of caution. I just bought 2 accounts myself, and that's why I just went and grabbed my phone, because I was like, oh yeah, I got charged, but they have not showed up on my dashboard yet. Their website is massively overloaded. It's the best deal on the prop streets right now, in my opinion. I'm in their Discord right now. Brandon, I bought two, and not only none of them showed up so far. There's an issue, guys. Definitely they're. Yeah, we're not the only ones, Brandon. I just looked on the Discord. If you go to their Discord, it is like people like, I just purchased a 50K Pro account in 30 minutes. I haven't received it yet. It is definitely, they're being overloaded. Calling my lawyers now. That's right. Yeah, it's being overloaded. And they say like affiliates don't matter, right? We push out their stuff, and I hope so. His royal trades, yeah. G Trade, what is up? Just watched a video. I lost $75,000 day trading. That's awesome. Thank you for sharing. Yeah, I'm glad you enjoyed it. That's my dark journey into this game, for sure. You just got yours right away, Coach Fred? Huh. I'm not worried about it, but I know. Yeah, I had accounts before. I just canceled them all. Canceled all the blown ones. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had 6 accounts that I had tried first time, and then I smoked them. So I'm gonna give them another try here. I got stopped out on that. So up 46.60. Let's look at my push up higher. Yeah, right. Personal money. Yeah, that was personal. But unfortunately, like 60,000 of it, Jonathan, was 2 trades. That's what was unfortunate. Yeah. And it was a lot for me. I can tell you that. Yeah, Shane. So like, apparently they had an issue with breached accounts. No, it's fine, Jonathan. Yeah, no, you're joking. Yeah, apparently Funding Ticks had a problem with breached accounts, and they restored them all. So that is a good sign. I do like that. So apparently, if you know, this is why I like Discord too, because they have a Discord. So if you guys are not on Discord and you're trading prop firms, you know, I highly recommend joining Discord. Joining our Discord too will be awesome. But joining Discord and getting into these prop firm Discords and stuff, so it's usually much quicker. What time was the breach? It was just posted today. It said affected accounts will be rectified and compensated, and that was 11:07 today. That's all I'm seeing. This is what they keep posting on. Yeah, G-Trade. Yeah, I should. Wow, we are pumping higher now, guys. Just got a boner candle out of nowhere. Nice little flag / trend line break here. Yeah, G Trade. Yeah, I mean, just keep following me and stuff. But yeah, no, I try to make short videos and stuff like that all the time, like just explaining different things. But yeah, if you just kind of follow me on a day-to-day basis, I always answer or tell you guys how I'm doing with my trading. Like lately, like it's been not good. Like I'm definitely not profitable this month. It's kind of crazy. Like what I've spent on props, it's been insane. So I got some payouts this month, but I definitely spent it. So yeah, I just kind of talk about it every day. Thanks for joining though. Yeah, that little video I made is kind of going viral, so it's pretty cool. I just put the support at funding ticks to the top of the link. This is what the Discord keeps posting because they're having issues because they've been over. They're just getting smoked with people buying accounts, their website. So thank you, Chef Chris. 5,000. That'll be the next milestone, right? Hey, John Carter in the house. John Carter, were you traveling today? I was gonna say, were you traveling today? Yeah. So funding ticks right now, John Carter. I just bought a few accounts with John Carter's code, and it yeah, they're not showing up. The whole website is like crashing right now. It's like crashing. It's the best deal on the streets right now. I haven't even got my accounts. It doesn't even show on my dashboard. Hopefully they're gonna extend the sale though. I think they're gonna extend the sale because of all the issues they're having. That's what everyone's kind of hoping for. Will I be shorting from that line? This is the... I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is Tiki opening range. This is the... That's the initial balance. High. $50% off resets with Lucid. Nice. I don't have a Lucid code, so I would just use probably MM for Methodical Man for Lucid. I don't have one yet. Yeah, that's the next train I gotta get on, Coach Fred. Funded next. Nice, Keith. Nice exit. So guys, smash that like button. Boy, we had a heck of a show yesterday. We gave away so many accounts. We gave away cash. Thank you so much for the 3,000 subs. And I think we jumped like 100 and something subs today. So that's pretty awesome. Methodical Man was in Trading Desert. and promoting funding ticks. Whoops. Month has been kind of dry here. Also, big question my freaking right now. Let's go, Coach Fred. Get that My Funded Future payout. It'll be in your bank account within 10 seconds. It's amazing. Congratulations on the My Funded Futures payout, though. That's my hope right now is the core accounts, grind them to $1,000 each. And then I don't want to earn and burn them, but I will if I have to. I'll just put it that way. And if you guys haven't joined or signed up for that My Funded Future deal, for the account for $1 if you win, make sure you guys do that. Oh, let's see here. Go to my posts. Yo, Myth, what is up? How much can you request? Yeah, $1,000. So 80. Yeah, with the split, it's $800 each time. Yep. Camping at the VWAP. Yeah, probably until Tokyo opens in about 12 minutes. Myth is out traveling the world. I think you're going to the football game, right? You're going to the Ohio State, Texas game or something like that. Where's the VWAP right now? I have it right at 747. You wonder how many prop firm traders there are? There's a lot, Jonathan. I mean, how much P&L do you need to get a $1,000 request from a core? So good question, Zane. So it's very, very simple. My funded futures. It's one of the simplest ones. You just need 5 days of $100 or more, right, to qualify. So technically, all you need is $1,100. You can request the $1,000 in 5 days, as long as you have 5 days of $100 or more. So 5 days of $100 or more, check. And then if you get $1,100, you can request $1,000. You will burn the account, but you can do it. I mean, ideally, you would like to have it up to like $2,100 or something like that. Request $1,000, and that way you have $2,000 in drawdown. But yeah, you absolutely will smoke the account. So they call it earning and burning the account. I don't recommend doing it, but you can do it. How much is the core right now? It's around $72 or something. But the right now 33% off the 100K and the 150K scale and pro accounts. Those are 33% off. Use code PINE. But right now I'll put in the link for my funded futures. So this is that giveaway, guys. They're giving away 20,000 accounts. Just use my code PINE when you fill out the form there. But yeah, they're giving away 20,000 accounts, so it's gonna be a drawing. They're gonna announce it on 9/1. No strings attached. No activation fee. I guess it's gonna cost you $1 basically. So, and Luke, or I think it was Luke, said if you don't have $1 to contact him, he'll give you the $1. He said it on his show, so which is the one of the big wigs over at My Funded Futures. So yeah, if you enter that right there, mfu.com/billion, use code PINE. It'll ask you for the affiliate link there for PINE to help support my channel. I won't get anything from it, but I'll get future things from it or something. But just let My Funded Futures know that I exist. That'll be helpful. Inside bar. I don't like it though. We're just hanging on the VWAP. And Coach Fred just got paid in 2.3 seconds from My Funded Futures. So it is that right there. That's worth everything. Yeah, we are sideways, Ethan, for sure. Yeah, you'd have 1,000 left. I don't know what I said, Jonathan. If you ask me any math questions or do anything in my head, forget about it. It's over. Bob Calling, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Wonder if I could hold on to that account without activating it for a few months, just for a rainy month. I don't know. Look at gold. I'll look at gold. Oh, holy cow. Are you for real? That's gold right now. Yeah, I still have an old starter too down here. The lower left corner. It's an old starter account. Look at gold right now, guys. It is completely barcoding. It's got me so flustered I don't even know what button I'm pushing here. That's crazy. What is going on with gold? Yeah, sorry guys, no giveaway tonight. Yeah, we gave away a crap ton this week. I got nothing else to give away. I'm tapped out. Smash the like button though. Let's get it over 100 likes. We got 89 likes before I hop off. It's kind of like my Friday. Take the inside buy on gold? Yeah, no kidding, right? I would just, you could just kind of play this little range here until it doesn't work. I have a feeling this, if I went short right here on top of the range, I guarantee it's gonna bust out. I guarantee it. I'm kind of curious myself, Crypto King, what's gonna happen with gold when Tokyo opens. What did I use to download the inside bar? It is called LDT Inside Outside Bars. Nasdaq's just hanging at the VWAP. Gold is just sitting there at the VWAP as well. Yeah, no problem, Chris. You can kind of let them sit there for a while, Hitchman. You can kind of let them sit there for a little bit. I wouldn't let them sit there for more than a month. But I know that if say you have 3 Bulonox funded accounts, I've let my past evaluations sit there for quite a while. But I already had funded accounts too, so. Yeah, Coach Fred, yeah, absolutely. Am I trading the PCE tomorrow? I'll be trading tomorrow, for sure. Yeah. I will be trading. I trade every day. The market's open, I'm trading. Pretty much. Sub-zero, what's going on? What's happening? Very boring market tonight so far. We up a little bit. I was trading the micros, slinging those around a bit. Took 2 trades. I was up 69 bucks and then lost a little bit on this inside bar. Arkham Doc, what is going on? So I will be back. Yeah, I will be back Sunday night, guys. Sunday night, 6 p.m. Eastern time. You never know, I might be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow or something too, because they usually call me on a Friday, last minute, but you never know. Right now I'm not scheduled. I was supposed to go on Topstep TV today and they canceled on me, so I don't know what's going on with that. Thank you, Jason Richardson. I appreciate you guys. Smash the like button on your way out, guys. Let's get it up over 100. We got 98 likes. I'm probably going to call it pretty soon here. The market is completely dead. It's like my Friday. I'm going to go possibly get a drink. Go have a drink and a slice of pizza or something. And I will not be trading this market tonight. I'm promising myself I'm not going to do it. I was up way too late last night slinging around contracts, so. Thank you, Chef Chris. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. Thank you so much for the 3,000 subs. Truly amazing. I'll try to make some more content if I think of it over the weekend. Yeah, and use code PINE for all your prop firm needs. And right now, funding ticks. Obviously, the best deal going on right now is $35 or so for an account, no activation fee. Can't really beat that. And then of course Apex Bulonox and 90% off, 91% off Bulonox. And then My Funded Futures, Tradeify too, guys. I don't get many Tradeify sales, but I know you guys are trading with Tradeify. You can use code PINE now. You don't have to use my link and do all that stuff. You can just use code PINE. It should work just fine. And Trade Day and Take Profit Trader, they're gonna get rid of that 40% off activation fee at the end of this month. So get on them. Don't sleep on Trade Day, guys. Those end of day accounts and stuff are really good. Day one payouts. I should have got a day one payout today, but I was an idiot. All right, guys. I'm exhausted. I will see you guys soon. See you guys Sunday night, 6 p.m. Eastern. Peace. Yeah, drifted. Contract killer. See you guys. Peace. Later, guys.